Hello and welcome to HW News. It has been more than 7 days since comedian Munawar Farooqui is in jail. Usually we ask what is the crime that one has committed to be in jail. In this case, there is no proof, and this is not something that fans have said, but something that police also has said. Munawar Farooqui, a stand-up comedian who hails from Gujarat's Junagadh, was performing in Indore. Little did he know he will have to ring in New Year with his arrest. Farooqui and 4 associates were arrested on Friday, that is 1st of January 2021, by the Indore police, allegedly for insulting Hindu deities during a comedy show and also cracking jokes about Home Minister Amit Shah. Last Saturday, the Indore Sessions Court rejected their bail pleas and sent them to judicial custody. The bail application has been moved in High Court now. In this video today, we will talk about this entire issue in detail. But before that, if you are watching this video on YouTube, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and if you are watching this video on Facebook, then make sure you like our page, you like this video, comment below it and share this video to as many people as possible. The attack on comedians is not at all surprising anymore. Kunal Kamra was slapped with contempt notice, and so was cartoonist Rachita Taneja for her cartoons on Supreme Court and Arnab Goswami. Now it is Munawar Farooqui. The stand-up comedian had earlier also run into controversy with right-wing groups accusing him of hurting religious sentiments. Just few months back, a clip from his stand-up comedy video uploaded allegedly 4 years ago went viral and led to outrage among the right-wing groups. After that, he started receiving hate online, trolls and threats. After that, he made a video and apologized for his comments. He issued a public apology and also promised that he will not hurt religious sentiments again. There was already an FIR registered against him in Mumbai. So what happened in Indore? The event was held at Cafe Monroe in Indore's 56 Dukan area. A group of 70-odd fans of Munawar Farooqui, a majority of them college students, landed up at Cafe Monroe to see their favorite artist perform. As the show started at 4 p.m., 2 associates of Munawar, Nalin Yadav and Prakhar Vyas, opened the show with their act. Both are budding comedians and have been arrested. After 10 to 15 minutes, Munawar walked in, but as soon as he took the mic, another guy came up on the stage, took the mic from Munawar's hands and put his arms around his shoulder. This person was Eklavya Gaur. Now, Eklavya Gaur is the son of local BJP MLA and the mayor of Indore, Malini Lakshman Singh Gaur. Gaur is also the convener of the local outfit Hind Rakshak Sangathan. According to eyewitness accounts, a group of 6 to 7 people had accompanied Gaur. While others remained amid the audience, Gaur took the stage, took the mic from Munawar's hands and addressed the audience. Trying to shame the audience, he said that Munawar Farooqui insults our gods and goddesses and you come here by paying money to laugh on it. The audience apparently also pointed out that the video was old and he had apologized for it already. However, the defiant person, that is Eklavya Gaur, is still on the stage and refuses to buckle. There is a video clip in which Munawar is seen trying to pacify the situation. Let us first watch some of the clippings from this video.
पहले वो जो जोक था, ठीक है, उस जोक में मैंने किसी भी पहले तो आप ये सोचते हो कि सिर्फ मैं हिंदू देवता नहीं, मेरा सबसे पहले वीडियो में सबसे पहला जोक टेररिज्म और इस्लाम पे, और सेकंड हर वीडियो में ट्रिपल तलाक पे जोक है, मेरा बुरखे पे जोक है, बराबर। बट मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि ये मुझे अलाउ करता है कि मैं आपके धर्म का मजाक उड़ा सकूं।
आपने अल्लाह के ऊपर या
पैगंबर साहब के ऊपर बनाया, सर मेरी पूरी बात सुनिए, उसके बाद
सर जस्ट लेट हिम स्पीक यार, उनको कहने दीजिए।
उसके बाद आप नहीं सेटिस्फाइड
बनाया भी हो तो मुझे
सुनिए सर,
आप भगवान नाम पर नहीं बना सकते।
सुनिए
आप भगवान नाम पर
आप उन्हें बोलने दीजिए।
आप बोल रहे राम डजंट गिव अ फक अबाउट, ये क्या है, ये भाषा क्या है भैया? ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है।
वो चीज जो मैंने बोली बराबर, उसके लिए मेरे को बहुत रिग्रेट हुआ। क्यों पता है? क्योंकि 8 दिन तक ना मेरी माँ को, मेरी बहन को डेथ थ्रेट, रेप थ्रेट, और मेरे को, मैं घर से बाहर नहीं निकल सकता था। 8 दिन तक आउटरीच चल रहा है, अरेस्ट मुनव्वर फारूकी। 8 दिन तक मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैं कैसे करूं, क्योंकि वो पहली बार है। सुनिए सर, 8 अरे सर मेरी बात तो सुनिए, मेरे को 10 मिनट दे दीजिए, मैं आपको बहुत
बताइए।
मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं क्या करूं। कहता है ये आ रहा है, घर पे गालियां, फोन नंबर लीक हो रहा है, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, उससे बात कर रहा हूँ, बोल पर काम डाउन है, लॉकडाउन है, ये है वो है, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, कुछ कर नहीं सकता। उसके बाद 8 दिन के बाद मैंने नॉर्मल से एक फोटो डाला जिसमें शायरी वायरी लिख के, और उसके 10 दिन के बाद मैंने एक वीडियो रिलीज किया, और उस वीडियो के रिलीज में शायर मिंडर, उस वीडियो के एंड में मैंने प्रॉपरली क्लियरिफिकेशन में डाला है कि मेरा काम मजाक उड़ाना किसी का है, मेरा लोगों को हंसाने का काम है। अगर मेरे जोक से किसी के धर्म को या किसी के आस्था को ठेस पहुंचती है तो मैं वो कभी नहीं चाहूंगा, मेरा काम है। और वो वीडियो 15 दिन बाद अपलोड मैंने किया है और आपने उसका एंड नहीं देखा होगा। तो मैंने फर्स्ट इन्होंने जो कहा कि इसके लिए इन्होंने कभी माफी नहीं मांगी, तो उसके लिए आपको इसलिए बता रहा हूँ कि आप जाके वो वीडियो चेक कीजिए, उसके एंड में मैंने क्लियरिफिकेशन डाला है। सेकेंड चीज है, जयपुर में जो शो कैंसिल हुआ वो कांग्रेस वालों ने या ये जिसने भी करा वो अलग रीजन से कैंसिल हुआ, अलग रीजन से कैंसिल हुआ। मैं ट्रैवल करके जब 1,500 किलोमीटर जाता हूँ।
Now, soon after the conversation, Gaur is seen leaving the stage, but 5 to 6 minutes later, a commotion started outside the venue. Eyewitnesses recounted that a group of men, at least 10 to 12 of them, had gathered outside the cafe and raised slogans against Munawwar and the show organizers. Gaur and his associates had left the venue and they were also waiting outside for him. According to the audience, they flanked Munawwar from all the sides and started walking out of one exit gate that went through the cafe. But those gathered outside started pushing them inside and started beating people up. Later, cops arrived at the spot. Now, while the audience claimed that there were no jokes cracked on any religion and the show had not even started, Munawwar had not even started to speak, Gaur is firm on his stance that there were jokes made on gods and goddesses and he gave the videos of it to the police. However, Town Inspector of Tukaganj Police Station, Kamlesh Sharma, was quoted as saying by the Indian Express that there is no evidence against him for insulting Hindu deities or Union Minister Amit Shah. He said the two videos submitted by the complainant are of another comedian with him allegedly cracking jokes on Lord Ganesh. As I said, his bail application was rejected and he is still in judicial custody. Munawwar and all those arrested were booked under IPC section 295A, which is deliberate and malicious acts intended to outrage religious feelings of any class by insulting its religion or religious belief. Section 269, which is unlawful or negligent act likely to spread the infection of any disease dangerous to life, and other relevant provisions. A lot of questions arise out of this episode, but here is what is the sad part of it all. If we go by the events of last few months or last few days, seems like making people laugh is more a crime than anything else. People like Eklavya Gaur will get their 2-bit fame in the party, in local politics. Who knows, he may rise in ranks in the party as well. But will those in the audience be able to forget the horrific incident? Will Munawwar Farooqui get these 9 days back or more back that he spent behind bars, despite apologizing for something which created outrage 8 months ago, despite police on record saying that there is no proof of Munawwar hurting religious sentiments in the show in question? Meanwhile, the bail application is in the High Court. The lawyers expect that it will probably be taken up this Monday or whenever the court decided to mention the matter. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. Before I leave, a very small request to all our viewers. If you have not already, please make sure and please do join our membership drive. We have launched the membership drive on our YouTube channel, that is HW News English. There is a join button on our YouTube channel. Click on this join button. You will get the details of the 2 levels of membership that we have launched and the perks and benefits. What are the perks and benefits that you will get to know in the video that is following. But please do become our member and support independent media like us. Thank you. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.